Hello and welcome to the second video. This is going to be about regression. So how can we see regression? Regression, we can see regression, or we can understand as a best fit line. For example, in linear regression, if you remember school or high school, um, you can remember this equation: y is equal to ax plus b, where if you get a and b, you can get the linear equation, the equation of the line of y. So anyway, we're going to work with continuous data. For example, we can talk about stock prices. In stock prices, we have a data set. For each month, we have kind of 30 days, and for each day, we have a stock price. So this price is going to change over the days, and this is our target. This is our value that we want to predict, because always we want to predict something. And in this time, if we talk about stock prices, um, a lot of people want to know what is going to be the stock price in the future. So that's our goal. And this data sets also has features, and these features are attributes. What do I mean? Well, attributes are things that help people to understand the target. Features can be, for example, uh, the date itself. In the date, you can have information. You can have information about what is going to be the next holiday, and you know that because of holidays, you can understand better the stock price. You can predict better an stock price, because in holiday maybe people buy more things, so the stock price might be higher or lower because of that. So now let's go a little bit in Google Colab. We are going to use Google Colab now. Well, we're going to use Google Colab. At first, we need to install Quandl. Um, Okay, so pip install Quandl. Quandl is our website where you can get a lot of data sets. Well, you have to wait a little bit here, so well, that's all. Well, Quandl, if we enter, we will see that, for example, you have this website, and if you want to search for data set, data type, process and volumes, for example, you put here free. This is just an example. We continue features. So we have here one data set with a code. So this code is important, because with this code you are going to access to the data set. So after we install Quandl, we need to import the library. Import Quandl. Uh, Also, we need to import scanner, and we need to import pandas as PD. Okay, after that, after we import all the libraries, we're going to get this Quandl code. This is the code that you generate when you create an account. So you just need to, after creating an account, you automatically get this code. So after that, you put data it's equal to Quandl dot get, and you put the code of the data set. So this is the code of the data set. As I show you in the website, there is a code for each data set, so we are going to use this one. Okay, so that's it. And now we have data dot head. In this way we are going to see the data set. Well, that's it. Well, we are going to start creating some features. And we can see our data has a lot of features that we can combine. Each column is a feature, so we are going to make some features just by making the difference between two features. So for example, here we have like we can make the difference between high minus low. We have like the difference, and we can get um, a relative difference here. So high minus low divided by low, and we are going to name this column as high low difference, high low percentage. Okay, so now we can do the same for other two columns. Adjusted open minus adjusted close. Okay, so adjusted open minus adjusted close, and this is going to be open close. There is a mistake. When you have a mistake, you just look for the mistake, and it seems that this one is not necessary, and this one is also not necessary, and we have a little mistake here, a detail. So now we have the data with two new columns, open close and high low. Now we're going to talk a little bit about the features. So at first we had this table with columns, and we called these columns features. One of these columns is going to be the target, or the value that we want to predict. Which one is, we're going to talk about this later. What I did here is creating a new feature. You can do this because maybe in the field that you are studying you have a data set, and you know that maybe the combination of two columns is a better feature for the target. It helps better, it means more, and also we are not going to use all the features. Sometimes some features are correlated between them. For example, we have here high, and we have here adjusted high, and what is the relationship between them? Are they correlated or not? Who knows? If they are correlated, we just need one of them, and then the other is not necessary. And also there are features that they don't mean nothing to the target. So the combination of features we call feature engineering. It's the way we see the features, it's the way we can represent a feature in a better way to understand the data and to get our predictions. So after doing this, um, well, this is the first part of the video. The other video is going to be about the prediction itself, who is going to be the target, and what features are we going to use. Well, that's all. Goodbye and see you.